inbuilt in our PowerPoint itself, Microsoft 365 itself. So now I have started using it regularly. Okay, I'll show you whenever, if time permits, I'll show you at the end, or otherwise we'll show you, definitely will show you. And regarding this thing, framework wise, use of AI tools for medical education, content generation and modification, then transforming content from LLMs. Then comes the AV tools, interaction systems, and all these things will be these things. And let's not dwell into the theoretical part. So it's up to you to decide whatever you want. We'll be usually discussing only the free versions. The one thing which I wanted to introduce to you all is POE. How many of you have exposed apart from our weekenders? Anyone else have seen or exposed to POE? Yes. 3 people, maybe 4. Okay, not many. 5. Okay. Okay, you know what is POE? Okay, I'll show you. Then I think it's a must know. You can explore. I mean, it's a place where you can go explore different bots, and also you can create your own chatbot. And you can obviously share it. This is called POE.com. POE stands for Platform for Open Exploration. The name itself suggests it's a platform for open exploration. Exploration means you have to explore. Okay, so we are there to give you the net. You have to go and fish. Okay, so here you can see on the top, this is the chat box. I mean, usually the left hand side, you will see all those custom settings and all those things. The most important part is clicking on explore and creating bot. Mind you, this is a paid tool. Many times you can see each paid LLM will charge you $20 per month, including ChatGPT. It's charging $20. But here in POE, you can use, you can take, I think, subscription for around $10 per month. I think only with $10 you will get to use different models within your subscription. It's like taking one bundled subscription of different OTT channels, right? So Prime, Hotstar, everything is included in one single subscription. That kind of thing is POE. You can see when I click more here, you can see the models available. Okay, the POE's own assistant, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, it was not available for us in this thing, which we got only 3.5 Haiku. And then comes web search, GPT-4o, Gemini 2.0 Flash, DeepSeek V3 is available here. Can you see this? Llama model, Claude, Mistral. Mistral has come up recently with a wonderful model. I'll share you the link in our WhatsApp channel. The new beautiful model of Mistral, free model, is very good. Lee Chat Mistral. We'll discuss those things. And you can see different kinds of LLMs starting from Llama to Flux image generation models to Playground model, ideogram, stable diffusion, Midjourney. You will get whatever you want. Grok by Elon Musk. Okay, Grok bot, Grok. You will get. I think Pika also came up with a new update. Okay, you can introduce. I think in Pika bot you can introduce Pika Edition feature has been added in this thing, and you can see Gemma and all these things are lower level bots are also available. You can select any bot you want and you can chat with any bot. Okay, and that's the beauty of it. And more importantly, you can come down. You can see the context here. You can see the bots, official bots, reasoning bots, image generation bots, audio and video bots, popular bots, featured bots, professional bots, mind bots, AI bots, whatever bots you want. Learning bots also is there. Okay, and let me go search the bots. I click on explore. I click on, say, anatomy. Anatomy 2, Anatomy 2.0, Anatomy Physiology, Deep Bruce. You can create like GPTs. You can create your bots here and you can publish. And you can also share that thing with the students and they can interact with the bot created by their own teacher. Get responses. You can give the database on which the bot has to operate. All those things can be done. We will show you few one or two examples on day 4, I think, to create your own bot and based on your own knowledge, your own document, and it will answer. We'll try and test that. Okay, that will do it. So I hope the homework for today is, the assignment for today is create your lesson plan and come up with explore POE and see what are the different features. Not one time, sir. I think it's recurring subscription for POE also. Obviously, they cannot like click on subscribe. I'll show you 10,000 points a day. Okay, yearly subscription is 10,000 rupees. Okay, yearly subscription is 10,000 rupees. Okay, it depends on whatever you can either bill yearly or build monthly. Okay, you can subscribe and you can use whatever. This is in one subscription. You can use. Suppose you have taken ChatGPT subscription and now DeepSeek comes up with a better model with all these things. You cannot take that kind of risk, no. So in between switching off, instead here you can try all those updated models in one place. That is POI for you. That means platform for open exploration for you. Now let's try creating few slides for ChatGPT from ChatGPT or Claude. Let me go with ChatGPT itself. Let me go with ChatGPT itself and create a. Let me stop share so that the thing goes off. The annotated thing goes off. Yes. And now, so let's create some slides. Okay. Create content for PPT to teach. I think I have it ready with me. Okay. Okay. For chalk and talk. Okay, I forgot to chalk and talk. Okay. See, that's comes to it. Before PowerPoint, I wanted to show you this also. I'm going to teach measles for second year MBBS using chalk and talk method. Okay. Actually, for some topics, I don't prepare PowerPoint usually. Like where there is conceptual things, more conceptual things and all. I usually don't use, like, don't always use PowerPoint. And my suggestion is be creative, mix, have masala in your lectures. That's the basic core concept. Because if you keep on with the same kind of Kahoot every day, then it also feels bored. One day Kahoot, another day use the interactive, one more interactive system. Like one day use Slido, one day use Poll Everywhere, one day use an interactive quiz, one day you go for a chalk and talk. Depending on the type of topic, you should be adaptive. One day do a role play, one day show a video. So there will be an element of surprise when you enter the class. Okay, like students will think like, what are we going to like? Are we going to be taken for a ride today, or what kind of things are going to explore in these things? Please try exploring few things. Initially, you may face a little bit of different kinds of hiccups here and there, but obviously you will be able to overcome it. Let's see here, guide me what should I do and what not to do, and how to make the class interesting, interactive, and include innovations for just chalk and talk method. Just chalk and talk. Okay, I have content with me. I'm going to teach measles. Since you are using chalk and talk, just try on your own this thing. I'll even give you the links. I will give you the prompts. Okay, you can just copy paste the prompt and see these things. See what should I do before class. Okay, draw a concept map or timeline of measles progression. Different colors of chalk. Real life measles case. Start with the icebreaker question. Use the stepwise storytelling approach. It will be useful. It will be useful in most of the contexts, in most of the plans of your study. You can use LLM. You can integrate LLM. You can integrate AI into your planning process. That makes planning is very important. That's why we spend more time in showing you how to build lesson plans. Please, 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 please do it. Okay. Then content is already there, always there. The way you deliver content is also there. Don't just dictate notes, avoid long monologues, don't overcrowd the board, don't rush through the concepts, avoid passive students. Innovations, give mnemonics. See, 3 C's and K. Cough, coryza, conjunctivitis, commonly used mnemonic. See, the measles itself is a mnemonic. Myocarditis, encephalitis, aortitis media, SSP, laryngitis, eye complication. Live drawing on the board, role play activity, teach the class challenge. Each group explains the topic in 2 minutes. Quick poll. Okay, so maybe for some reason, even the chat GPT is slow today. Okay, summary and all these things. Don't you find this interesting? I for interesting. Ma'am, I posted, yes, I posted this prompt in the WhatsApp group, ma'am. Yes, including for chalk and talk. Because I'm still a big fan of chalk and talk, not relying on this thing. You can like say some conceptual topics like case control study, cohort study. PowerPoint cannot do much. Okay, go there, stand beside the board, put a 2x2 table, ask questions, develop the pull the students into your lecture. That feeling is different. That gives you more like that's satisfaction is level is different. Okay, so that's why see summary and all these things. This is mind blowing. This I mean, each and every small point is taken care of. Though we can plan lessons on our own, you have something written in front of us. Okay, we say in OT, in the theaters, before going for surgery, what do? We do the checklist, right? Mandatory checklist is mandatory. Every doctor knows, every surgeon knows, every anesthetist knows what they are doing, but still it's mandatory to look into the checklist, a written part which they have to look upon for verifying. So that's the same point which I'm emphasizing. Please have some kind of lesson plan. You can use any bot you like to create lesson plan. Now for the same thing, I'll ask, okay, i'll ask I'll ask, okay, for the same class, I'm now planning PPT presentation. Give me contents for, say, slow actually, for 5 slides. Can you see I changed my mind from chalk and talk? And this is iterative prompting. The same continuation of the same chat. You need not mention measles at all. It understands, like the bot understands. Suggested slide contents for measles PPT. Okay, title slide, learning objectives. So can you see? I don't know. For some reason, this is slow. This is actually slow. Too slow for me. The bot is slow. The ChatGPT is slow today. Is it slow for you all? Is it slow for you all? I mean, the ChatGPT is slow, or is it fast? No, for you all, it's good, working well. Then what's the issue with me? Even my net connection is good, but still it's slow. Can you see? I mean, if you are not satisfied with the whatever output, you can definitely go back, give more context, and ask it to be more explanatory and do it. And try this in your own slide. Try this. All the apps are slow. Yes, ma'am. Most of the apps, unfortunately, for me, slow today. Okay, ask your ChatGPT why it is slow. Yes, you can. I'll okay, why don't? Oh, come on. It has to let it finish off. Now ask ChatGPT to create slides for you and download the slides. Content, word content to make slides from. Possible to give a PDF? Yes. Obviously, next thing is this thing. That is for content curation. Just can you see the Magna ma'am? Can you see this plus button here? Click on plus button. Click on plus button. Click on plus button. Upload any PDF you want from your computer or from your Google Drive or from your OneDrive. You can ask bot go through this PDF and create PowerPoint slides from this PDF alone. You can do it. That's the next thing. That's content curation. From extracting information from definite source is content curation. We'll discuss those content curation. We'll come back to that. Okay. Now, can you see, including some few references, additional tips, and all those things? Let me ask, why are you slow today in generating responses? Server load, complexity, high demand on the system, and all these things. Okay. Enough. Stop it. Okay. Sometimes it talks too much. Okay, it's okay. Okay. Now, next thing is, I'll show you if needed. Okay, go ahead and download the slides. How many of you have done the slides? Okay, ask with the same lesson plan. If you are in the same lesson plan chat for the same lesson, give me 5 PPT slides. Okay, 5 PPT slides. I'll post the prompt in the chat box. For the same lesson, create content for 5 PPT slides. Go with this prompt, just basic prompt. Okay, you can all definitely improve the prompt by like giving the different kinds. Output is not mentioned. You can say mention 6 bullet points in each slide, 6 by 6 rule, 6 lines in each slide, 6 words in each line. I hope you all remember 6 by 6, right? 6 lines in each PowerPoint slide. There should be 6 lines, and each line should have mostly 6 words. Don't overcrowd your slides with more information or not. Okay, so We are coming towards the end of this thing. Yes. How many of you are having the content ready? R for ready. R for ready. Ready. Yes. Okay. So though even if you are satisfied or not satisfied, how many of you are ready? Yes, ready. Now keep the content ready. Keep the content ready. Keep the content ready. And the next thing that we are going to do is ask it. Give me the slides in downloadable form. Ask it to give the slides in downloadable form. Let's see how many of you succeed. Come on, do it simultaneously. Give me PPT slides in downloadable form. How many of you succeeded? S for success, F for failure. S or F. Offline SRF is doing well. How many of you understood this sentence? F. Okay, I can see some F. Yes, only for Deepali ma'am. Analyzing. Yes, F. Yes. Analyzing. Yes, let's say analyzing. You can try different LLMs. No issues, no harm at all. Whatever LLM, we are not forcing you to use ChatGPT. We are not forcing to use this thing. And remember, I want to emphasize this point. See, ChatGPT, yes, very slow. ChatGPT, OpenAI, and Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft. These two are in one side. Anthropic, Alphabet is invested in Anthropic. Okay, Alphabet is invested in Anthropic. Amazon is totally different entity. They own shares in most of the two of these companies. Okay, now ChatGPT and yes, ma'am. That's the next part. Don't ask. Please, Saju ma'am, please don't ask it to include images in PowerPoint. The better thing is we will come back to it. I'll tell you the first step in creating images into the power. Even if you ask it, go ahead, ma'am. Why don't you go ahead? Saju ma'am, go ahead and it will try to include images in the PowerPoint. You download the PowerPoint and see there will be no images. Try it. This usually happens. You can try. Let's not give a spoiler to that. Let's try it. Analyzing, yes. Okay. Off late, SRF is doing well. How many of you understood this? No one. No one in sync with this. I can't create PowerPoints. I can guide you on how to convert the slides. I'm getting like this. Great, sir. So I hope I can also guide like ChatGPT. I will just give a small, easy SRF. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. No, I was just CD Nathan is in sync with me. Okay. So it says can't create PPT slides. Sir, CD Nathan, sir, I just a small hint here. Like I thought students are not that great. They're using for AI for social media. Then when I interacted with one student, he showed me how he's using this thing for trading, AI for trading. They are in a different world, different domain altogether. Some students, they're already using AI to analyze the stocks and they're investing it and they are into trading. One intern is already doing, let's not do it. This is happening. So don't underestimate the students, because actually what happens is we are not aware about what's happening in this AI. Most of the students, they are far well versed in using AI tools. Okay. So please keep yourself updated. And next thing is once you get the thing, copy paste the content, open a Word document and copy paste the content. Let me do for few slides here. Okay. Next step is step 1, creating content. That is which you already do it. Usually that's the easiest part, creating content. Next step is open a Word document, paste the content, copy the content and paste the content there. How many of you are getting anyone getting asterisks and hashtags? Anyone getting asterisks and hashtags? Yes. No. Few may get, few may not. If you just copy the response and paste, if you get asterisks and hashtags, it means yes. It means you have copy pasted it got a PPT with images. Great, ma'am. Great, Jayalakshmi, ma'am. Are the images good? Are the images good? Yes. Okay. Then fine. Good for you. Good for you. Because my system is slow, I'm not going to take that risk online. Okay, it will be embracing for me. But still, okay. So see, if you get this, this is better. If you get asterisks or this thing, the free markdown editor for copied content is this one. Okay, the free content is this one. Okay, can you see? Okay, so this is dillinger.io. What you can do is, okay, if you get asterisks and this thing, copy the content. This is on the left side. Left side is the markdown. Can you see? Left side it is written markdown here. Paste the markdown content here. Sorry. Paste the markdown content here, and you will automatically get the edited format on the right. What's happening here? Okay, here. Okay, you will get the edited content here. Now from here you can copy paste. Okay. I hope it works. Now everyone is ready with the content. Everyone is ready with the content, right? Now open a Word document. The easiest way to convert into slides, even when you are doing a lot of tokens and you don't have enough tokens left and all those things, just a free method. This is not AI, but still, before we end up, just go to any Word document and go to view. Go to view. For people, most of our previous audience, they will know this method, but still, you can try again. Okay, go to view. Click on outline mode. Click on outline mode. The basic process is you are going to create a slide outline using Word, and then you are going to convert all this. You're going to create slides from this Word outline. Okay. Click on outline. I'll go to step by step and paste the content. Paste the content. For some, this might be old. I mean, you may already know that, but still, for others, it might be new. Come on. Done. How many of you have done this? Go to view, click on this thing. If you are ready, then go to, yes, done. Okay. Next step is to convert these, to format this outline. What I'm going to format is, the basic formatting is such that the titles should be given here on the top left corner. Forget about all these things. On the top left corner, you will see body text and all those things. The titles should be given as level 1. Okay, titles should be given as level 1, because in any slide, the title slide is different. The layout for the content box is different, right? This will be title slides. These will be content slides. The content slides will be level 2. Say I want to include a few examples as level 3. You can do it. So understand the importance of vaccination and this thing. Include example. Okay, examples. I'll show these examples as level 3. I'll include examples as level 3. Similarly, you can, let me show you all these things as level 2. Okay, and slide titles alone as level 1. Slide titles alone as level 1. Okay, the easiest way is, let me save it. More importantly, after you do the formatting, go and save it. More options. Let me save it in the desktop so that it will be easy for you to show. Desktop, trainer weekend. Sorry, weekdays. Okay. Okay. So how many of you have done this? Done. Best part is Control A. Most of the content, majority of the content will be on our level 2. So put it into level 2 and then press Control and start selecting the slide titles alone, slide headings alone. And then at once click on level 1. Done. Okay, easy. You can do this for 30 slides, 40 slides, whatever you want, but this has to be done manually. And more importantly, don't forget to save it. Save it as this thing. And the next step is to close it. Close the file. Don't keep it open because it might not work if you keep it open. Close the outline view. Now this is done, right? Let me close this and go to any PowerPoint. Are you following with me? Are you with me? W for with me. With me. No response. Yes. Okay. Now the easiest way is open any new slide. Let me New presentation. Can you see how to insert the slide outline here? How to create slides from word outline? Can you see under the slide section? Can you see a small downward arrow? Okay, you may see new slide, and the next slide you will see a small drop down arrow. Click on the drop down arrow, you will see new slide. Next to new slide, you will have a small drop down arrow. Scroll down to see slides from outline. This is the last part. Click on slides from outline, select the outline and see the slides by yourself. What slide outline is this? Okay, let me insert. Okay, this is the slide outlines which we have created. Are these the slides, right? Sir, please repeat. Okay. Ma'am, we just have to copy the text, ma'am. Copy the text before. Now, first step, please, you can do hands-on on your own, or you can do whatever this thing. So let me do it for 2 slides alone. It saves a lot of time. Okay, I've copied the content now. I've copied the content now. I will go. I will make a new, open a new Word document. Step by step, I'm repeating. This is very useful. Only level 1 is seen in the PPT. Why, ma'am? Maybe you have not given level 2 for all those content. Click on blank document. Okay, usually the error happens when you make the outline. Don't type anything inside this thing, inside the document. Go to view, click on outline mode. Click on outline mode. Then just paste the content, Control V. I have pasted the content. Next step is I will shift most of the content to level 2, then come back and put the titles as level 1, because titles are just 1 or 2 lines. Now this is done. Okay, now next step is to save this. Let's name this file as demo. Okay, and more options. Let me select desktop. I think we are far ahead of where we, I mean, time constraints, but still okay. Now close the outline view. Close the outline view. Sorry, close the entire thing. And now open a new slide. Open a new PowerPoint. Go to new slide. Generate slides from outline. Under next to the new slide, don't click on new slide. Click on the downward arrow. Then click on slides from outline and select the demo and insert. Some alignment issues maybe. Okay, but you should see the slides. Okay, some alignment issues. Done? Yes, yes. Yes, we'll share, sir. We'll share the step-by-step methods. Yes, yes, yes. So this is easiest foolproof method. You might not run into errors. And this is easiest and you can easily do. Okay, the last step is nothing but go to click on slides, or you might see a new slide here, or next to layout or whatever. You might see this features here. Click on the new downward arrow here, and next to new slide you will see a small downward arrow. Click on it, you will find this. If you explore the creating new slide, you will find this option, slides from outline. Click on slides from outline and select the document and click OK. Your slides will be good. Okay. The other method of doing it is asking the chat bot, give me only 3 slides to save time. Okay, it's slow today. I'm not sure. I'm not in a mood to give feedback. Come on, very slow. Yes, ma'am, you can try. Okay, next step is stop generating. Okay. Consider yourself as a professional VBA code writer. Generate a VBA code for the above mentioned slides. Okay. And see, naturally, it asks me to whether to open in Canvas because the code is big. Okay, you can click on it or you can do it. But still, it's still creating third slide. This is too much. Too slow. Come on. Okay, next is you can use this. You can obviously, okay. Next thing is using the VBA method. Okay, using the VBA method. Next, hitting on this will create a VBA code for me. Okay, from a VBA code, I can create the PowerPoint slides directly. Let's delete these slides. I'll delete these slides. Okay, where's the code? Come on. So this is the code. Can you see the window here? You can also ask it to create a code for your slides. For experimental purpose, ask code for only 2 slides. It will save time. Okay. And next step is, yes, it's possible. Yes, it's possible. Yes, it's possible. Handouts creation, we will show you, sir. We will show you first, ma'am. Yes. Come on, come on. Let me show you this. I think this is in the last phase, right? Yes, absolutely. Experiment 6. Hope the code works out well. Sometimes you might, why I'm not suggesting this is in first place is because we are using free tools. Many times running this VBA code might cause error. Okay. And a word of caution, please do not run any VBA codes which are available in the internet or which are available. Many times when you go for some sites where they say, they claim that they're giving free PowerPoints. You may click that, they will say, use this VBA code, run this code, you will generate PowerPoint slides. No, there might be a, inbuilt hacking system inbuilt in the code. If you do not understand the code, there might be a virus or a Trojan there. Please do not trust. If you trust the code, run it. Otherwise, don't run VBA code in your systems. Create the code on your own. And next, I hope my code is done right. Now the code is done. Okay. It even gives you how to do it. Okay. So my job is already done. Okay. So once the code is done, press Alt 11, go to this thing, insert the module and done. Okay. Can you see this? You just have to copy the code here. It will automatically show copy. Click on copy, go to PowerPoint, Alt F11, or I have the developer mode enabled here. Next step is Visual Basic. VBA is Visual Basic for application. Okay. And open VBA, open Visual Basic for application. Next is insert. Open VBA, insert a new module. Insert. Next step is module. Paste the VBA code. Then click the small green button, play button, which is used for running media. Okay. PowerPoint presentation has been created and saved. Done. Aren't you happy? Happy. H for happy. H for happy. Happy. Very happy. Okay. H. Very happy. So these two methods are foolproof. I mean, VBA is not foolproof. In Mac, why don't we ask? I'm not sure, ma'am. Why don't you ask it in the bot? In Mac, it doesn't work, ma'am. I think it's not for this thing. Okay, for Windows, if you have, this is for VBA is for Windows only. So Visual Basic for application primarily works in the Windows system. Okay, for opening VBA editor, if you have installed only VBA, ma'am, for running a VBA Mac, then you have to have a VBA editor. Are you using VBA, ma'am, in Mac? I don't think so. Mac is, you have to externally install VBA editor again, I think. Yes, you can ask Siri, but VBA is not enabled. The system is different. Windows is, Microsoft runs VBA. Okay. Ma'am, that is tomorrow, ma'am. Saju, ma'am, tomorrow. Actually, the better part is to create images separately and then create images and then add those images. Okay. So that's the actual thing. And more importantly, there's tweak a small thing in your prompt. You will come up with beautiful things that we will discuss tomorrow. Surely, AV8 section, we discuss audios, we discuss videos, we discuss images, we'll discuss many multiple things together. And for now, it's time to say goodbye. And sir, that is research part, forest plot, funnel plot in AI and all. It's research part. We are into that is brainer. This is trainer. Thanks you. Thanks a lot. Hope the session is useful for you all. And once again, I'm sorry for the glitches which happened during registration and all. Honestly, from my side, I have to thank you all for being such interactive and lovely audience. Hopefully, I've given you some knowledge on changing these things. These are all basics. Yes, as level progresses, we will go to the little bit advanced features. Definitely. Thank you, sir, for enlightening us the basics. Yes. What time tomorrow? Tomorrow, 6 o'clock. And one more small announcement. We will not, because of the issues, we will not use that same link for this thing. Delete whatever WhatsApp link you have registered for the next few days. Because few people are not able to use, we will share the registration link tomorrow. Tomorrow morning we'll share the registration link that will be used for the next 4 days. Okay, it will not need authentication. You just have to register once. You will get the mail, and please do not share these mails with other this thing. And you can post your feedback in the WhatsApp. We are most welcome, and we are there to guide you as much as possible. Thank you. I hope the session is useful. And today we have already covered the most important part of lesson planning and content creation, part of content creation. Tomorrow we'll be discussing about content curation. And content curation, see, we have completed LLMs, prompt engineering part, prompt refining. Never forget all these things. And then comes, because the summary part of our lecture is now, we have completed content generation of slides. Tomorrow is content curation. Then we'll jump into AI tools. Then we'll see interactive methods. Actually, we've seen interactive methods today itself. In the chat box, you can interact online. Otherwise, you can interact with Slido. You can also take WhatsApp polls. We'll take WhatsApp polls tomorrow. And then we'll move into the assessment and feedback. Hope you all enjoy using AI or integrating AI into your teaching curriculum. Thank you. It will be open, sir. Whatever stored the slides, it will be open. You have to save the slide. Next to the PowerPoint, you will see a lot of PowerPoints open now. So for this VBA, slide will be automatically, a PowerPoint will be opened and the slides will be created. So you can save it. Yes. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you for trusting us. Thank you. See you. Bye. My God. Feeling very tired.